Hi, Tazzy. There's a showdown happening for where everyone... Oh, there he goes, down the rabbit hole. All right. Well, we know who won the fight. You won the fight. And there, she's very happy about that. There's that tail that's going to flip. Someone's very happy. Right, Lila? Did you win the fight? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. She's back. I don't think Taz is very happy about it, as you can tell by the fact that he went under the bed. Right, Peaches? She's like, that's where he belongs, Mommy. Lila!